Hi, it's Amy with WTI. I've got to show you these Gilden Tree Waffle towel set. I am so crazy about these towels. Now these, when they arrive, they are flat. All you have to do is throw them into the wash. You put a half a cup of vinegar in there, and when you pull it out of the dryer, they are fluffy, soft. I love this waffle pattern and the puffy squares. But one of the biggest things that I love about these is that it saves space. Look at how thin these are. It was really satisfying to go into my linen closet and pull out all the old towels and put in the new. It's very pleasing to the eyes. And look at this beautiful cream color. It's bright, it's clean and crisp, and its neutral color can really fit in with any type of bathroom decor. I also have these in the color white, and they are just stunning. You're gonna get 3 different sizes. This is the bath towel. Look how big this is. It's awesome. And here is the hand towel. It works great as a bath mat too. And this is the washcloth. I like to have a pretty hand towel on my bathroom counter, and this looks so nice. These towels are unique and beautiful. I know you're gonna absolutely love these, and that's my point of view.